if you're only a designer and have no idea about the code, if you have no idea about this side of the equation and just live inside of design, you are missing out. For example, we have slots, component slots. You have a variation and like multiple ones that you can mix together, but like the way you can do it, for example, even in Webflow, you can just build so much, like exponentially more components. You can build many more because you can just mix them. That is not something visual. This is like functional, but still missing. Something visual that is missing is like the WebGL effects, right? There are tons of effects that can happen in the development side that you're completely are missing. It could be WebGL, it could be animations. Even the animations that uh, Figma has is a small portion of what is possible. So the best would be to do what you want to do, like follow what you like to follow, but also just get informed about what is possible in the other.
Mm. It's an age old thing. Like when I was working in corporate, like you would always get the designers that were frustrated or again just worried that they're designing things that a developer wouldn't be able to achieve or couldn't do or something like that, you know. And I think it's developers, we need to be more bold and ambitious on what we can do or what we can achieve, particularly with newer technologies and with AI now. You can have the AI figure out how you're going to achieve something complex, but ultimately just a little bit more compassion for, or not compassion, but just, our communication probably needs to be better in guiding our designers and helping them. Like every developer is going to be different in their capabilities, and you're going to get some who are really, and what I'm seeing more of, developers are really functional heavy. They don't care about design. Well, not that they don't care about design, but they're just not good. A lot of them don't know CSS. A lot of them don't care for CSS
Yeah.
anymore. They just really, they care about is linking all of this functionality together, having this two-way interactions and passing state. And it is it is a lot more fun than doing the UI stuff, which is why often developers will use Tailwind and they'll just approximate the design because they just don't. It's not interesting to them. So that's another thing that I think designers need to be aware of. They're going to be working with some developers who really just don't have an eye for design and don't really care for it, and not really an answer to any of these questions, but just maybe a bit of understanding of, from a developer perspective, what you're contending with or what you're dealing with. Well, that's another thing as well. I don't think designers truly understand the amount of responsibility that a developer has. So
Yeah.
whilst the designer is like, I want them to do the design, this design is everything and it means so much. You're just one of the plates that a developer is
Yeah.
spinning. They've got an they're also spinning security. They're also spinning accessibility. They're also spinning just deployments, and they're getting it live and uptime and things like that. So, yeah, it's a messy field. It's just being curious, understanding, and sympathetic to everyone's role. And
For everyone to get a understanding for this, if you're like wondering what is that so easy in design and difficult in development, just imagine forms. Like with a form, a designer typically just creates some simple forms, but as a developer you have to manage the states and you need to make sure what if.
sanitize the inputs.
Yeah.
Make sure it's people ain't hacking it.
Yeah, and how you are sending the data and what you are showing to the user after sending the data, and so much of this can be designed, but what I see in reality, very often designers miss these details. So yeah, all that to say there is a lot more into it.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.